In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a limit order on TradingView. A limit order lets you set the exact price where you want to buy or sell, so you get more control than a market order. Let's walk through it step by step, and I'll explain what each setting does so you can place the order with confidence. Start by opening your browser and searching for TradingView. From the results, click the official TradingView Track All Markets page. Once you're on the site, head to Products and choose Supercharts to open the full-featured charting workspace. Inside the chart, open the trading panel at the bottom. This is where you'll see order tickets and broker connections. If you're using paper trading or a connected broker, the process is the same. Now choose whether you're placing an order to sell or to buy. Either button opens the order ticket for that side of the trade. Change the order type to limit. This tells TradingView you want the order to trigger only at your chosen price or better. Click the price field and enter the exact level you want. If you prefer to set it relative to the current price, use price offset and specify how far above or below the market your limit should sit. Set your position size next. You can enter units directly or switch sizing modes. Margin USD lets you define the amount of capital you want to allocate to this trade. Percent balance sizes the trade as a percentage of your account, which can help keep things consistent across symbols. If you manage positions by risk, you can use risk USD to cap the dollar amount you're willing to lose, or risk percent balance to keep risk proportional to your account. These risk fields work best when a stop loss is defined. So let's set targets and protection. Enter your take profit price to tell the platform where to lock in gains. For the stop, you have flexible options. Set stop loss by price, by pips, by percent price move, by a fixed USD amount, or by percent balance. Pick the one that matches your plan. TradingView will calculate the rest for you. If you want multiple profit targets, click Add Level to create an additional take profit level. When everything looks correct, click Confirm to review. Finally, click Buy or Sell to place the limit order. That's it. Your order will sit on the book and trigger when price reaches your level. Always double check side, price, and size before confirming, and use take profit and stop loss to keep your risk disciplined.